Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the last exercise of this chapter, that is 4C. Okay, of this fourth chapter we are going to start 4C exercise. Yesterday we have completed 4B exercise, right? Yesterday we have completed exercise. So I hope the questions whichever we have discussed yesterday, how to solve the equation, how to verify the equation, you are doing all these questions side by side. Naman Puri and Om, sit properly. Om 7th Florence. Right. So in this exercise 4C, you are having all the word problem questions. All the questions based upon the word problem. First two questions are a bit different. Okay. Other questions are just based upon the read out the sentence and write down in the simple equation and solve it. Okay, we have done these questions earlier also. Okay, we have done such kind of questions in the previous exercises. Okay, that how you are reading a statement and how you are changing the statement into the word problem. Okay, sorry, into the linear equation. Okay, so let's start with the first question. First two questions are a bit different and they are very easy. What they are saying in these two questions? In first question they are saying that two equations, find out the two equations having the solution x is equals to minus 2. Anyone, can you find out equation which will give the answer x is equals to minus 2? Yes. I am reading your messages side by side. Quickly give me any two equations, any one. First of all give me any one equation so that the answer will be x is equals to minus 2. Quickly. Rashi Lathar. Yes. Ananya, Tanisha, write x also, x. A equation is made up of variables and constant. Write the variable also and constant value also. Quickly. Yes, make two equations. Ananya, right? Yes. Yes, Tanisha, right? Okay, suppose I am making one equation. Okay, one equation I am making. Okay, that is 3x plus 7 is equals to 1 or 2? 1 is equals to 1. Okay, suppose I made this equation. Linear equation is that equation which is having only one variable and the degree of that variable should be 1. Right? Highest power of that variable should be 1. So this is the equation. So if you will solve the equation, your answer will be 3x is equals to 1 minus 7. 3x is equals to minus 6. X is equals to minus 6 upon 3. Cancel it. It will be 2. So x is equals to minus 2. Right? So I have written this equation. If I solve this equation, my answer will be x is equals to minus 2. So they are saying that you have to make such kind of two equations. This is my first equation. Okay, another equation, you can make any equation. I'll tell you, some students has made the equation. I'm writing that equation. Anshika, where is x? Ananya, just wait, let me write your equation. I'm writing the equation which Ananya has made. Minus 4 plus 2x is equals to minus 2. Let me check. Your equation is correct or not. Okay, 2x is equals to minus 2 plus 4. Ananya, it is 2. 2x. X is equals to 2 by 2. Answer is 1. Your equation is wrong. Ananya, equation is wrong. Okay, let me check. One more student has made the equation. Tanisha has made the equation 4. Just wait. Sorry. 2 into x. No, Tanisha. Multiplication is not possible. Ayan Kokar has made 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8 is equals to 1. 4x is equals to 1 minus 8. 4x is equals to what? Minus 7. Ayan, answer cannot come. Okay? Answer can't possible. You have to write here 9. Ayan, you have to write here 9. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Then x is equals to minus 8 upon 2. That will be 2. So x is equals to minus 2. This equation will be correct. This equation will be correct. Are you getting? Rishika, it's incomplete. The equation that you have made, it's incomplete. Okay? So in this first question, you have to make any two equations so that answer will be x is equals to 2. This is the equation which I have made. This is the equation one student has made. I am writing one more equation. Angel, in this question, you have to make any two equations so that your answer will be x is equals to minus 2. Okay. Kunal Mandan, please leave my class. In this way, I can't accept the way you are sitting in the class. Sit straight and properly. Harman, no, answer will not come. Harman has made the equation 4x plus 7 is equals to 1. Harman, check your question. 4x is equals to 1 minus 7. 4x is equals to minus 6. X is equals to minus 6 upon 4. That is, cancel on 2 table. 3 minus 3 by 2. Harman, this equation will be wrong. Okay? This is right. I am making one more equation. Okay? That is x plus 3 is equals to 1. Okay? You can make simple equation also. Your answer will be minus 2. Tanisha, look here. X plus 3 is equals to 1. Okay, answer will be x is equals to 1 minus 3. That is x is equals to minus 2. Okay, so this is very simple equation. You can make any equation. This equation, this equation, this one student has made. Just wait, let me write that equation also. Tanisha has made 2x plus 5 is equals to 1. Tanisha, answer will not be yes. Answer will be yes. Answer will be minus 2. Yes, correct. It is also correct. It is not necessary that with the x you have to write any constant value. Okay, you can write simple x also. You can write here x plus 3 is equals to 1. This is also correct. Very simple. Are you getting this first question? Everyone has got the concept? Okay. In this question, you just have to make two equations. I have made 4. Okay, 1, 2, these two students have told. Absolutely correct. Okay, if you solve this equation, answer will be x is equals to minus 2. How you will make equation? The rule I have told in the beginning. In the equation, the rule is that the equation is a mixture of constant and variable. Okay, equation is a mixture of constant and variable. Okay, constant should be there. Variable should be there, but there should be only one variable and the highest degree of that variable should be also 1. This rule I have told in the beginning. Right? Understood by everyone? Okay. Now let me write the second question. Second question is also absolutely same. Okay? Second question is again absolutely same. In the second question they are saying that construct 3 equations. You have to make 3 equations now. You have to make 3 equations. Okay, you will tell me. You have to tell me these equations. 3 equations so that the y will be equals to 1 by 3. Now you have to see that in that equation there should be only one variable and that will be y. Okay, now in this question you can't take x. You can't take x because answer is coming that y is equals to 1 by 3. Okay? Koshin, just wait, let me read. Koshin, what's going on? Okay. Everyone solve the equation and tell me the answer quickly. Quickly. Write the equation. Shraddha, why you are not making the equation? Where is the pen? Where is the notebook? Shraddha Tyagi. Write Write down the equation. Yashika, Rochelle, make the equation quickly. I am making one equation. Okay, very, very simple. Which equation I am making? 3y is equals to 1. 3y is equals to 1. Okay, y will be equals to 1 upon 3. Y will be equal to 3 will go here. It will be equal to 1 upon 3. Okay, so this is my first equation. Very, very simple and easy. Everyone got this equation? Yes, Sanchit, very good. Sanchit has made 6y is equals to 3. Okay, 6y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 3 upon 6. Cancel on 3 table. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Sanchit, answer will be 1 by 2. Okay, Sanchit, you have to write here 9. 9y is equals to 3. Okay, then 9y, 9 will come in denominator, then cancel on 3 table. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So y will be 1 by 3. Okay, right? Yes, Ananya, right. Okay, so this is a very easy equation. Okay, fine. Sanchit has given one more equation. 6y is equals to 2. Okay, y is equals to 2 upon 6. Cancel on 2 table. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So y is equals to 1 by 3. Absolutely correct. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 equation. These 3 equations you can make. Okay, or you can make the equation the way Tanisha, just wait. I'm making one more equation. Okay, you can make different kind of equations. Suppose this is the first equation. Second, I'm making it with addition. Okay, 6y plus 1 is equals to 3. This is my second equation. 6y plus 1 is equals to 3. Let us solve. 6y is equals to 3 minus 1. 6y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2 upon 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are. Answer will be 1 upon 3. Okay. So in this way also you can make the equation. Right? Hargun, yes, right. Akshit, yes, right. Akshit, now take in the reciprocal. 21 take here and 7 take here. Right? Koshin, right. Geet, right. All I'm making with this equation, that is right, absolutely right. But try to make in this way also. 1 or 2 equation with this way and 1 equation you can make in this way. Addition or with subtraction. Okay, with addition or with subtraction. Tanisha, absolutely right. Right? So this is correct. Just wait, let me read. Rashi, there is nothing to discuss about. I'm telling you. Just wait. Rashi, you have to make equation. Your answer should be y should be 1 by 3. This is the variable. It means in your equation, whatever equation you are making, y should be the variable. And what is linear equation? It consists of, it is a mixture of constant and variable. You can make simple equation or you can make with addition or subtraction. Right, Sanchit? Very good. That is also absolutely correct. Okay? How to make the equation that I have told in the very first lecture of this chapter. Very first lecture. Hazel, Priyansh Joshi, I'm going to remove you from the class immediately. No need to attend the class in this way. Priyansh Joshi. Okay, I'm telling you how you can make the equation. You can see that y is equals to 1 by 3 should be the answer. So how you will make? Okay, if you will write 3y is equals to 1, so that 3 will go in the denominator, answer will be 1 by 3. In this way you can make. Students has make in this way. 12y is equals to 4. Absolutely right. Y will be equals to 4 upon 12. Cancel on 4 table, answer will be 1 by 3. Okay. Some has made the equation 15y is equals to 5. Absolutely correct. Okay. After cancelling, your answer should be 1 by 3. So you can take 3 and 1, 12 and 4, 15 and 5, 18 and 6, 21 and 7, right? 30 and 10. Okay, your answer should be 1 by 3. In this way, you can make addition, subtraction. Everyone, any doubt is there? Any doubt, Tanisha? Yes, correct. It is also correct, Tanisha. Okay. Rashi, just go for the practice. Right? Go for the practice today. How you can make the equations. By on, in every lecture I used to say, whenever you are going for the written practice, you will able to understand the concept and then you will never forget the concept. But what is the concept behind the question? Maths is the subject that you can do with the practice only, not by learning, by cramming. Okay, now let's start with the question third. From question third to question 20. From question third to question 20, the question are in this way. Easy to complicated. Easy to complicated. Right? From question third to question 20. In this question, you have to read out the statement. You have to read statement and then you have to convert the statement into the equation, simple equation, or we can say that linear equation. The equation is given you in the English sentence. You have to read the statement and then you have to convert into the linear equation and then solve your answer. Take out the value of x, y, m, n, whatever the variable is given to you. Right? Okay, let's start with the question. Very, very easy. Some questions are very easy. Okay, after that, then you have to understand step by step, you have to write and then you have to solve. Question 3. Thrice a number. Thrice a number. See that. Thrice, thrice means 3. Okay, thrice a number. 3 times of a number. 3 times of a number when increased by 4. When increased means added with 4. Increased by 4 gives 40. It will give you 40. We have done such kind of question earlier also. Right? Okay. Question is thrice of a number when increased by 4. It will give you 40. So first of all, in the very first line you have to write here, let the number, whatever number you are writing here, let the number is equals to x. Now write down 3 times of x increased by 4 is equals to 40. Okay, 3x plus 4 is equals to 40. 3x is equals to 40. 4 will go that side. Minus 4. 3x is equals to how much? 36. X is equals to 36 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 12s are. Your number is, therefore, your number is 12. It is the answer. It is the answer. Any doubt? Karen, I'll not repeat the instructions. Sit properly in the class. Karen, immediately sit properly in the class. Kunal Singh. Kunal Singh, sit properly in the class. Sit straight. Any doubt is there in this question? Thrice of a number when increased by 4 gives you 40. You have to suppose in the beginning that that number will be x. Okay, put the value of number x, solve the question, take out your value of x. It's very, very easy. Right? Okay, just wait. Sanchit, let me read. Yes, Sanchit, yes. No, Tanisha, in this question, Tanisha, we don't have to check your answer. Okay, that was different question. It was given in the question, solve the equation and check. Means verify. Okay, now in this word problem question, no need to check. Okay, one student is asking how 3 has gone in denominator. But this is, we are not doing for the first time. Whenever the number is in multiplication, that will go in division always. Are you doing for the first time? Whenever the number is there in the multiplication, that will always go in division. That is x is equals to 36 upon 3. It will go in division. Okay, suppose it was 1 by 3, x Okay. Just wait. Immediately switch on the video. I'm going to remove all these 10 students from the class. All these 10 students. Meenakshi ma'am, remove this Kunal Singh. He's completely lying on the bed. Remove the student immediately from the class. I don't want these students in my grade. Kanika Lathar, remove. Alia, remove. They will not attend the lecture in this way. Now let's start with the next question. Question 4th. In all these questions, you have to write this line. Let the number will be x in all the questions. Okay, you have to suppose that number. Question 4th. Question 4th is twice a number. Twice means 2 times of a number. Twice a number when decreased by 8. When decreased by 8 gives you 58. Any doubt? Any doubt? Very, very easy. Okay. Twice of a number when decreased. If it is increased, that you have to mention here plus. If it is decreased, you have to mention here minus. Is equals to gives 58. Gives means it is equals to 58. Right? So twice a number. 2 number is x. 2x minus 8 is equals to 58. 2x is equals to 58 minus 8. 2x is equals to 50. Yes. 2x is equal to 50. Okay. Then x will be equals to 2 will go in the division. 2 will go in division. 2 ones are 25. So x is equals to 25. This will be your answer. Any doubt? Yes. Any doubt is there? Sorry. One more thing. When it is in decrease, this is in minus. When this will go that side, yes, some student has catch the mistake. Again, when this will go that side, it will become plus. It will become plus, okay? 58 plus 6, how much? Quickly, 58 plus 6. Very good. How much? How much? 60? Yes, 66. Okay? Very good. Okay, after that 66 divided by 2. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 3s are and 3s are. So x value is equals to 33. Okay, please always check your sign. When minus is there, it will go that side, it will become plus. If it is plus, then when it will go that side, it will become minus. The sign will be opposite always. Understood by everyone? Shardya Tyagi, next turn will be your. I am going to remove you from the class. Sit properly in the class, Shardya Tyagi. Okay. Any doubt? Yes, everyone? Any doubt is there? Yes? Okay. Now read out the next question quickly. Question 5th. I am going to unmute some students. Quickly read out the question 5th. I am going to unmute some students. Yes, quickly read out the 5th question. Quickly. Okay? I am giving you a minute. Quickly read out. Harshit Lathar, have you solved? Anshika, 7th Blossom, have you solved? Okay. Next question, 5th question. I'm asking about 5th question.
Government, please ask from Tanish also.
Okay, ma'am.
Not attending earlier.
Okay, ma'am. Kavya, it's understood by you? Okay. Siddharth Sandhu and Shaurya Sehgal. Shaurya, it's understood? Can I ask? Just wait, let me see. Karen, Rashi, Kanika, Lathar, Ishan, Alia, again video is off. Again. After these many warnings, again video is off. Harshit Lathar, video is off. Manav, Tanish, 7th Florence. Switch on the video quickly. Yash Sharma, Sneha, 7th Florence. Come on the mic quickly. Come on the mic. Sneha, 7th Florence. Unmute yourself. Saloni, 7th Florence. Saloni, 7th Florence. Unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Saloni.
Yes, ma'am.
Saloni, please read out the question 5th. Okay, question 5th. And please tell me what they have asked. They are saying find a number which when added to its half. Okay, first of all, which line should I write here? In the beginning.
Let the number be x.
Let the number be x. Very good. Let the number is equals to x. Then they are saying that a number which when added to its half. This number when added to its half, how we can write? Yes, Royce. Obviously. Please try to it. Saloni, try this question. A number when added to its half. Okay, give me any wrong answer. Doesn't matter. I just want to see how much it's understood. Quickly.
X is equals to 48.
X is the number when it is added to its half. To its half. Okay, what should I write? To its half. Half means how I can write?
28.
Yes?
28.
28. 28 where it is given. Now I am asking how I can write half. How I'll write half? Tell me how I'll write half. Yes. Yes, Sanchit, very good. Please mute yourself, Saloni. The thing is that some students, see, this is very easy thing. They are saying that this number, when it is added to its half means 1 by 2 of x. It's half. Okay, if they will say a number is added to half, then it will be x plus 1 by 2. They are saying number is added to its half. Its half means 1 by 2 of x. Right? It gives you 42. It gives you 42. Just write down x plus x by 2 is equals to 42. Write here 1 and take the LCM, that will be 2. 1 2s are and 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x. 2 1s are and 1 into x, that is x is equals to 42. 2x plus x, 3x upon 2 is equals to 42. 2 will go in numerator, 3 will come in denominator. Only x will be left. Okay, x will be left. 42 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 12. 14 into 2, that will be equals to 28. And this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Any doubt? Is there? Any doubt is there? They are saying that a number when it will be added to its half means 1 by 2 of x. Okay, gives you 42. Just open the number. This is simple number and this is given you in fraction. So write here 1 and take out the LCM of 1 and 2, that will be 2. Solve it and then do cross multiplication, take out your answer. Right? Abhilasha and Dikshant, 7th Florence. Kartike, it's understood by all of you. How to convert the question into the equation, into the linear equation, and then how to solve. It's understood by you? Okay. Just wait, let me read the queries. Tanisha, the way you are saying that is not the question. The way you are saying. Sanchit, fine. Hazel, you can send me that method after the class. I'll check and I'll tell you. Angel Goel, what do you want to write? Angel Goel. Angel Goel, just wait. I'm going to unmute you and then you can ask your query. Angel. Angel, come on the mic. Yes, good morning. Your voice is not audible properly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Angel, please tell me what you are saying. What do you want to write in the beginning?
Ma'am, like, whatever we are doing, like divide and multiply on the other side, we don't have to write above.
What do you want to write above? What?
Means multiply 2 on the right hand side like this.
Okay, you are saying that you have to mention here transposing method and multiplication and division method. That you are asking.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to mention. This is the exercise based upon the word problem. Every exercise is based upon a new concept. In the previous exercise, they have mentioned that you have to solve all the question by writing the steps. Whatever the steps you are making, write down those steps, whether it's transposing, it's multiplication, it's division. In this exercise, you have to read out the question, convert into the linear equation and then solve it. That's it. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please mute yourself. It's a very good question.
Okay, ma'am.
It's a very good question. If whatever the doubts you are having in your mind, ask me during the class. Everyone. Okay, and some are very intelligent students. Whenever I'm saying to them, please unmute yourself, they are immediately leaving the class. No worries, I'm writing their performance on daily basis after the class. Okay, and this will count in the exam. Your performance in the class will count in your marks. Raghav, just wait, let me complete, and from tomorrow onwards we'll discuss that also. Raghav, right? Okay. Now please mark the question. I'm giving you question 7th only for the homework. Quickly mark the question 7th. Quickly. Time is about to over. Okay? Right? Now I'm giving you question 8 here. Question 6. Yeah, question 6 also. 6th also it is left. You do one thing, you solve question 6 at home. Question 6th. Okay? I'm going to solve your question 7th. Mark question 6 in your book. By tomorrow I'll unmute some students. I'll ask that how you have solved. Okay? Now see the question 7. It's the last question, then class will be finished. So sit properly in the class. If 12 is subtracted from 7 times of a number, 7 times of a number, when 12 is subtracted from, okay, 12 is subtracted from 7 times of a number is equals to 5 times of a number, 5 times of a number, and 5 times the sum of the number and the 2. 5 times the sum of that number and 2. This is your question. And you have to write in the beginning, let the number is equals to x. I'm going to repeat. Okay, what they're saying. 12 is subtracted from 7 times of a number. It gives you 5 times of the sum of number and 2. It's clear, everyone? It's clear, everyone? Gurnur Kaur, 7th Blossom. Gurnur, don't write. Just understand the concept. Right? Okay, now 7 times of a number. Just put the x here. In place of number, put x minus 12 is equals to 5x plus 2. Okay. After that, you have to 7x minus 12. Then you have to shift the values here and there. 5 into x, 5x. 5 2s are 10. Now shift the variables here and constant here. 7x minus 5x is equals to 10 plus 12 is equals to 2x is equals to 22. X is equals to 22 divided by 2, that will be equals to x is equals to 11. Therefore, the value of x is equals to 11. Any doubt? Everyone? Tanvi 7 Blossom. Gurnur Kaur. Yashita 7th Florence. Give me the quick response. It's understood by everyone? Okay. I'm repeating again. Write down the line in the beginning. That let the number will be x. Everything is given you in the English sentence. That 7 times of a number is this. When 12 is subtracted from 7 times of a number, it will gives you 5 times of the sum of number and 2. 5 times of the sum of that number and 2. Okay? And then write down in place of number, write down your x. Okay? Open the bracket, do multiplication, and then shift your variables here and constant here and take out the value of x. Right? Okay. So do your question nicely and carefully. Bye-bye and take care all of you.